Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to freeze last seen in WhatsApp. So let's get into it. First of all, open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. Tap on Privacy. Tap on Last Seen and Online. Now that you're on your last seen and online privacy settings, you can choose who can view it. There are four options where you can choose from. Tap on Nobody to freeze your last seen on WhatsApp. Other people will not be able to know when you last opened WhatsApp. Similarly, as long as your last seen is set to Nobody, you won't be able to know when other people last opened their WhatsApp as well. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.